Pass yourself, then run. Pass. Control on the cone. Controlling with the corner. Quickly, go. We are doing training. This player called Messi, and practice. When you want to be a best player on Hollywood, you do the evening, the morning. You see, this is the morning. This is the evening, but we do our practice. We do hard. The rain once raining, but we do for getting the best. At the time of evening, you see. So we know the next years will be best on the Hollywood. We'll eat our fruit. We'll eat our fruit. This one, we are do very hard. The best are over. No time to lose.